By default, your cash register is programmed to only allow transactions when the cash drawer is closed. So as you can see, my cash drawer is still open. I can type in another transaction, but I can't mark it as a POU, and I can't finish that transaction because it's giving me this error. If your business wants to operate with a drawer open and continue to make transaction shows for whatever reason you see fit, I'll show you how to do that. So let's go to program mode. You're gonna go to options, which is number 4, and we're gonna go with system, and these are all of our system options that we can adjust, but we're gonna go down to option 8. Option 8 says drawer must be shut to sale. By default, it's set to Y, so we're gonna change it to N for no. Let's go all the way back. Let's go to register mode. I've made a transaction. I've tendered cash. Clear my screen. Now I want to do another transaction following without closing my drawer. And I'm allowed to do that now.